The Indian stock markets opened higher this morning, with Nifty jumping 750 points and Sensex opening at 2,400 points higher hours after the much-awaited India-US trade agreement, in which Washington agreed to slash its tariff on Indian goods to 18% in exchange for New Delhi halting Russian oil purchases. US President Donald Trump on Monday, in a post in his social media account Truth Social, announced a trade deal with India that slashes US tariffs on Indian goods to 18% from 50% in exchange of India halting Russian oil purchases and lowering trade barriers. His post was followed by one from Prime Minister Modi, who conveyed his big thanks to President Trump on behalf of the 1.4 billion people of India for this wonderful announcement. Mr. Yogendra Kapoor is an economist who's with me. Mr. Kapoor, what would you like to say on this?
See, as I said, that the deal, the timing, I would specifically say, is very important. You see, we have seen the entire 2025, been marked with geopolitical tensions with respect to, and further with respect to the tariff situations, which had created a complete uncertainty for throughout the year. So I see that 2026 has opened on an absolutely great note for our country. First, with the signing of the Indo-European Union trade deal, and then now with United States. So I see that now, the focus of the businesses, specifically the ones which were export-driven, will be absolutely clear, in terms of their planning and projection. And I see that India is moving from an uncertain economic environment to a certain economic environment in this year. And I only see that the worst is over in terms of the business climate as such, and I see that it is only going to take our size of the economy in terms of our GDP in a progressive state going forward.
All right, Mr. Kapoor, and with that, I'd like to thank all my guests for joining me on the broadcast, and it's time for a short commercial break.